Bighorn sent me this pellet pizza oven to review on my channel, and I'm glad that they did, because I've always wanted to use one of these pizza ovens. I just love the way they look. I love the way they cook. So now I get the chance to. So thank you, Bighorn. And they advertise that cook pizza in 90 seconds. 90 seconds. So we're going to give that a try. And also, it's so small. You could take it when you go camping. You can have it like here. I have it right here. I'm going to place it on this cart. Easy to carry. So let's unbox it, put it together, and we'll get it going. First thing first, got the legs. Look at that. That's pretty neat, pretty easy, right? That's nice. Next, we're gonna attach the ashtray. So when you get it right there, so your ashtray is gonna go right underneath. Just like that. You can see it, but yeah, just like that. All right, so next, right here where your fuel hopper is gonna go, we have to disassemble these two screws. Make sure you keep them with you, just like that. And now here's your hopper. Insert it right there, and then match up where screws will go in. It's coming along nice and easy. All right, so that's that right there, and then your lid right on like that, and then just twist it to take it off, put it back in place, and then twist it. That's it. I gotta be delicate with this, but I want to show you. I love the way, if you can tell, it has the big horn right there. I love that right there. I love that. So we're gonna get it nice and easy, nice and easy, just like that. See, yeah. All right, so this is where your pellets go, and they just come right together just like that. So it's pretty simple, pretty simple. That, and you see, it just goes right in, just like that, just like that. You see, big horn, and it just screws right on, just like that. Oh, yeah. You see, it just goes right in, just like that, just like that. That's it. That easy. That easy. It's well put together, and stainless steel. Yeah. But let's fire it up. Let's see what it can do, right? Let's just fire it up and let those pellets burn. So let's get to that. And then here's your scoop. Scoop up. Alright. I have a fire starter. It says to place it towards the front, just like that. See, this is where this comes in handy. Alright. Put Place it right in just like that. Man, that was easy. All right, then we'll get to smoking. All right, let's check it. More likely we're gonna have to add some more. Yep. So you get your scoop, pour it right in. You can fill it all the way to the top if you need to. We're gonna be cooking more. Just like that. I've allowed it to burn for 30 minutes, burning those pellets. We're gonna cook on it, but we're gonna jump to the future. So I'll see you again. What do you think? Is that good or what? You can tip a little more. Yeah. Like the way that looks. Well, all right. That was fantastic. That was just awesome. I really enjoyed that. This is my first experience using a pizza pellet oven. So, and I think it came out good. But I really enjoyed it. And thank you for Big Horn Outdoors for sending me this right here. This is their 12-inch model. They do have a 16-inch model. But if you do want to purchase this, I will put down a discount code in the description below. So click on it if you want to get $25 off on this right here. I think that's pretty good. But it was great. I mean, it was fun. I'm gonna do it again after I film this. I'm gonna cook me some more. My family's gonna want some, so I'm gonna be happy to do that for them. But here's the right here. I just love the way, I guess the pepperoni just dark right there. And then the ham, that is just awesome. And flavor. Oh yeah. To start the pizza pellet oven, I did not use a tumbleweed like I did before. You saw at the beginning of the video. I just used my portable flamethrower to get it going. My lightsaber right here. So you can also light it up that way and get it started. But as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.